Climb inside the 2013 Ford F-150. This four-door, six-passenger truck still has fewer than 70,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.